Well, the best part is that they put a lot of money into it. It's really well lit. It's a very safe environment. All the machines that you're working on really top machines like Miller, Lincoln, very expensive equipment.
I would definitely say the best part about taking classes here is all the new equipment. Everything's new, everything's fresh. You don't have to worry about, oh, did someone else mess with this? No, it's all yours. Having a new building, having a new space that's all just for you is really, really helpful in learning.